Guys, I'm so tempted to change this pulley. I got the 3-inch pulley right here. Got the 3.2-inch pulley there. It'll probably take me like 5 minutes to change this and get that 400 wheel horsepower. But that thing right there is going to prevent me from doing it until I rebuild the transmission. So that's my dilemma. I know I made a video about it before, but it just sucks that I have this in the car. And I'm just like, day and night, I'm just like, man, I really want to change it real quick and get a retune just to see how much power I could push. And like the way it's going now, I don't even race people like that. Like people here in the DC area, like I can't find nobody. I be driving around. I mean, I'll run into a couple cars, but like only cars I really want to race is people that have like Focus STs, you know, like people that like all motor Civic SIs. I think they're fast. And, you know, I just destroy them. Like no muscle car, no exotic car is going to try to race me because they see a Civic SI. They say, oh, he's a little ricer kid with a, you know, carbon fiber hood. But whatever. So I was just matching this up and I was like, dang, that little bit of difference, you know, probably creates about, I'd say 2 to 3 pounds of boost, which would probably hopefully net me over 400 wheel horsepower. And if I had to guess, probably like 320 wheel torque, something like that, just guessing. But anyways, guys, just wanted to show the engine bay. And actually, one guy that I've actually linked up with recently, he's friends with MercRacing, is Johnny Tank. And he posted up 3 videos on how to install the MercRacing Supercharger kit. I think they're installing it on a 8th gen, but they're pretty similar. Usually the 8th and 9th gen is pretty similar, just a little minor differences. But if you guys want to check them out, I'll put his YouTube link in the description, or you could just Google search, not Google search, YouTube search Johnny Tank, Johny space Tank, TANK. And he ran actually a pass 11, I think it was low 11s, like 11.1 on his car. He has a 1900 and he ran 11.1 on slicks. And I guess, you know, with me, my goals with this car, you know, up in the boost, what my goal is, I want this car to be in the 11s on street tires. Like me personally, I like having a car where I know I'm gonna be running on the street the same way I'm gonna be running on a track. So basically I want a 11-second street car. 10-second would be great, but that's gonna be highly unlikely unless I super rebuild it, put like crazy with front tires and, you know, all kinds of shit like that. But low 12s, fuck 12s, 11s. I want 11s because usually 11s could beat you probably about 95% of cars on the street. And that'll be a good goal for me. So I'd say about mid 11s will be cool. And yeah, I guess that's it, man. Just a quick video. Like I said, check out my boy Johnny Tank. He has a lot of videos how to install the MercRacing kit, a lot of informative videos, and a couple runs and stuff like that. But I guess that's it. Till next time, guys.